As part of reinforcing health protocols for COVID-19 on public transportation, the Ministry of Health and Wellness recently convened a meeting with bus drivers around the island. The bus drivers were provided with guidance for decreasing the risk of passengers and themselves contracting COVID-19. Chief Environmental Health Officer Paco Ragnanan spoke on the protocols expected for public transportation.
The protocols are not very strenuous, but they are important. So we talk about one, the wearing of a mask. Both the drivers and the passengers are expected to continue to wear face masks. The issue of hand sanitizing, and it is important for provision to be made to allow for adequate sanitizers to be available for hand sanitizing, as well as to maintain some physical distance on a vehicle. We think that is important to allow for space between passengers, as well as to looking at the procedure and the protocols for cleaning and decontaminating a bus.
Ragnanan says the discussion with the bus drivers was quite engaging.
The transport sector is looking at whether there is a possibility for increasing the number of passengers that they presently can have on a vehicle. That discussion is ongoing, and no decision was taken on that matter at that meeting. We need to be very careful in terms of looking at public health and public health measures, and we are adamant that these measures must be adhered to, notwithstanding other arrangements that individuals would like to make. So we continue to emphasize the need for protocols and adherence to these protocols.
As it stands right now, up to 10 people are permitted to be on a public transport. Reporting from the Communications Unit of the Ministry of Health and Wellness, I am Fennel Neptune.